I think normal school is good, right? To keep the much possibilities, right? It's better to study the many things. Then you can choose what is the best the subject for you. So my message is that don't fix your dream. Okay, you should update your dream always. But how you can update? Study something, do the something. Then you can have the much better dream. I think. I didn't have any dream to create a robot when I was young. I was just enjoyed my life, and I just enjoyed to draw the painting. But eventually, I became the robotics researchers. So because I was quite honest to my the desire. Therefore, I could do whatever I want. So just do the many things. Don't fix. No, I made a rule by myself, and I never follow the school's rule and the teacher's rule, and I just enjoy the freedoms. And therefore, my mother always. Well, she was not so happy, but I was happy, and I could enjoy very much, and so yeah, the freedom is very important for me, and probably if you want to be a good engineer, right, just follow your ideas, right, and just behave as you like. What is a human characteristic? Nobody knows. For example, our eyes are moving, we are watching each other. This is also the very quite important human-like characteristic. And, so we are checking the step by step. And there's so many things we have, right? So eye contact and the gazing patterns, that is one of the most important human-like characteristic. And head movement and body movement, as I said, the subconscious movement. That is also the necessary as a human, as living creatures, and of course in the conversation is also important, right? So the many things, right? Human is not so simple; they're so complicated, and our purpose, why we are surviving in this world, we are not surviving for just eating and sleeping, and for eating and sleeping. So other animals, can do that, right? So just what is the unique character as a human? I think that is that is think about the human itself. But unfortunately, Android cannot do that, right? But in order to do that, right, I want in order to think about the human, or I'm creating Android. Therefore, I think I'm a human. Yes, but what's the meaning of a cry? If you're very sad, you cry. The mimicking human behavior. Actually, Android can cry, but I'm not sure Android is feeling sadness. Right? Yes, of course. Why not? Actually, in Korea, some of the students are using teleoperated robots. Right. Of course, in Android is much better. If the child need to stay in hospital, I think it's better to use the Android or robots. Travel, it's on an airplane. It's my stuff is decomposing into the sleep parts and pack into the baggage. The Android cannot pass the security gate by itself. Yeah, we got shocked. No ideas, but the Android is a engineer in the technologies, and we tried to keep it forever and to make it work. So we just repair and never shut down, I think. I hope so. That is the difference with the human. Therefore, we want to have our own Android. We want to have an eternal life. Both. both, I think. The recent young people, their makeup looks like it's not so natural, right? And sometimes well, they look like a robot. But the Android definitely gonna be more human-like. And for example, my Android, if we compare with the young people in Japan, my Android is more, human-like in some sense. Right?